Hello students, how are you? This is 11 biology practical. Practical number 10. Emulsification of fat by bile juice. Aim of this experiment is to study the action of bile on fats. Principle for this practical. When pre-digested food goes from mouth to stomach to intestine. Okay. So this is the process where the food is mixes with bile and pancreatic juice. Bile juice is produced in liver and it is stored in gallbladder. Okay. It is secreted by intestine whenever it requires more. So bile helps in emulsification of fat or oil. So the food gets digested faster. Okay. There is faster digestion of fats. This is the principle. Material as usual, test tube stand, pipette, oil, etc. In procedure, create two setup of test tube number 1 and 2, label it, then add in each test tube 3 ml of oil. Okay. Then in first test tube add 3 ml of distilled water. In second test tube add 3 ml of bile juice. Then shake it well and observe the color changes. Okay. Note down the reading in observation table. See here the observation table. Not emulsified, emulsified. In conclusion, we have to write test tube number 1 shows there are separate two layers of oil and water. So oil is not emulsified. In test tube number 2, tiny droplets are seen suspended in water. So oil is emulsified. Oil is break down into tiny droplets. So it can be digested. Okay, these are two results you have to write. So student, do you know emulsification? Emulsification is a technique where the liquid breaks down into tiny droplets and then it prevents them from separating. Okay, this is emulsification. Students, if you like the video, you check out my other published videos and subscribe our channel and write your comment in comment box.